We're all smiles.
She's running.
Cruiser company did us good.
And then they sold it like 6-7 years later.
Yeah.
This morning's coffee hike. Turn of the gods. Got some color.
Sure can't see a lot from 14,000 feet. We started way down there.
Took a wrong turn in Albuquerque. Maybe with your deep sea pole you could do it, but Colorado, Royal Gorge.
Windshield views.
This is Medano Pass in the Great Sand Dune National Park. Tonight's a beautiful campsite. And you know,
Sometimes you just gotta take the pros with the cons.
view from the tent is pretty spectacular.
The workout, man, just walking through the sand and smile, boys and girls.
Ready? Nice knowing you.
I'm guessing we'll probably have 2 in the front and 1 in the back.
I think that one part's real shallow.
I'm glad you found it. I'll get the next one.
Yeah. Aye, aye, Captain.
It's,
The black one right there on your set your feet. Yep. Got it. Thanks. Appreciate it.
Now he's ready.
Hey, I'm ready. I'm ready. Smile. Woo! He almost threw me out, guys.
oh, we got a swimmer. 2 of them.
Two swimmers.
Get out of here.
Hey, we got swimmers here. Yeah, hopefully.
So there's a throwback behind you if you want to.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm good. I'm more worried about the wife. Good job.
You went off, and all of a sudden Denver's like, whoop.
I did. I'm so sorry. I wish you did more squats. You could. Woo!
Yeah!
Yeah, man! I need a beer.
Watching y'all now. Oh my God, dude. I got her in.
Grab the boat. Grab the boat. You guys are good. Plenty of time.
Stirrup in. Hey, they had to go backwards like we did. Ah! Yeah!
sunset. And the gang. Well, river rafting was a fun adventure. So I was camping with the gang. And now we hightailed it to Santa Fe, see what those sides got to offer. It's the great statue of your imagination. All right, step one, the smoked sage margarita. What do you think?
Delicious.
Made it to our final stop along our never-ending road trip. This is Carlsbad Caverns.
It's already cooler over here.
Yeah. Paper? Oh yeah, it's like the whale's mouth and,
Yeah,
and a stalactite.
Yeah, but it's like real thin. Almost, it looks. Hey, baby. Sorry you're chewing. How long till home?
4.5 hours-ish.
Let's do it.
4 years ago, we left the driveway for version 1 of our never-ending road trip in this Land Cruiser. And today, we're gonna pull back into the driveway.
We sure are. Truck made it.
We made it.
We made it. Thanks for being my ride or die.
Ain't dead yet. Officially made it.